Do you know who the top candidates for president are in 2024? Most Americans don't. Hi, my name is Caleb, and today I'll be talking to you about voting and voting education. A January 16, 2021 article from the New York Times states that only 66% of Americans voted in the 2020 election, which left votes that could have made a final impact and could have changed the final result. I am credible to be talking about this topic because I'm the age of vote and want more people to know and research more about the candidates they are voting into instead of just voting for someone random out of the float. Today I'll be talking about voting, the importance of voting, and the importance of researching candidates before you vote. Voting. You can vote in 3 different ways. You can mail in, you can do it electronically, and you can do it in person on a sheet of paper. The easiest way is through electronically at the voting polls, and the safest is through paper. There's been a lot of scandals through over the past few years of mail-in votes of people not being there and not being alive, or votes being frauds and formed not to people who voted. Now that we know the different ways of voting, we need to know the importance of voting. The importance of voting comes down as a country if we want to make an impact for our future. Voting allows us to elect individuals who support us and what we want as people. A September 21st, 2023 article from the Tough Circle say that youth vote less than adults, and that's why we have the same people in office who don't know what's best for our problems in society. As a youth, we don't have the same problems as people who are older. We have come on new problems. We are in an electronic age. These 80-year-old men are not necessarily equipped and ready to do what we vote for as humans. So to vote, you can be able to get these people out who then find people who vote for what you have and what you need as a person to make this country better. What is also best for us is by voting, it allows you to vote for someone who has the personal opinions, and you can find those people who support you. Now that we've discussed voting and its importance, it's now time to talk about researching our candidates. The research starts with looking for people who are willing to find what is wrong with this country and willing to fix it from the start. A website called USA Gov has a service that can show you the best candidate fits your political opinions. This can help you go when you're going to voting, because what that will do is allow you to find the candidate that can best fit what you want America to look like. Another way to help research is looking in for the top 3 candidates of each party running, and that will give you a great idea of who at the top could be your potential presidential candidate and how close they are to what you want as a president. Today I've discussed voting, its importance, and the deep dive on why you should vote. If you can now answer who the top candidate of the 2024 election is, you're making an impact to find who is best for our country. Thank you.
Very good.